Can you calculate the cube of any two-digit number within seconds? After watching this video and with just a little practice, you'll be able to cube many two-digit numbers mentally at lightning speed. As the first step, we'll divide all two-digit numbers into 4 categories. The first category is numbers that start with 1, like 12, 14, 18, and so on. The second category is numbers that end with 1, like 21, 31, 61, and so on. The third category is numbers where both digits are the same, like 22, 44, 55, and so on. The fourth category is all the remaining numbers, like 23, 35, 72, and many others. Let's begin with the first category. Let's calculate 12 cubed. Draw 4 boxes like this. Write 1 in the first box. Write 2 in the second box. Now square 2. That gives 4. Write it in the third box. Now cube 2. That gives 8. Write it in the last box. Now put a 0 below the first number and another 0 below the last number. For the 2 middle numbers, simply double them. So 2 becomes 4, and 4 becomes 8. Now add everything from right to left just like normal addition. We get 8. Then 8 plus 4 is 12. Write 2 and carry 1. Now 2 plus 4 is 6. Add the carry to get 7. Finally, write the first digit. So 12 cubed is 1,728. That was lightning fast. Now tell me in the comments, what is 14 cubed? Let's move to the second category. These are numbers ending with 1. Take 21 cubed as an example. This one is just as easy. We simply fill the boxes in reverse order. Again, draw 4 boxes. Write 1. Then write 2. Now write 2 squared, which is 4. Finally, write 2 cubed, which is 8. Now put a 0 below the first number and another 0 below the last number. Double the 2 middle numbers. Now simply add everything from right to left. Write 1. Then 2 plus 4 gives 6. Next, 4 plus 8 gives 12. Write 2 and carry 1. Finally, 8 plus the carry gives 9. So 21 cubed is 9,261. That was even faster. Now quickly tell me in the comments, what is 31 cubed? Now let's move to our third category. This one is probably the easiest of all. Let's calculate 22 cubed. First, find 2 cubed. That's 8. Now write 8 in all 4 boxes. Yes, every single box. Now put a 0 below the first number and another 0 below the last number. Double the 2 middle numbers. So each 8 becomes 16. Now add everything from right to left. Write 8. Then 8 plus 16 is 24. Write 4. Carry 2. Again, 8 plus 16 is 24. Add the carry to get 26. Write 6. Carry 2. Finally, 8 plus 2 gives 10. So 22 cubed is 10,648. Amazing. Now it's your turn. Can you calculate 33 cubed before the timer ends? Congratulations! You've just mastered the first 3 categories for cubing two-digit numbers mentally. But what about numbers like 23, 35, 72, or 84? Those belong to the final category. And once you learn that method, you'll be able to cube almost any two-digit number in just a few seconds. We'll cover that in part 2, so don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.